So if you want to limit the orders depending on the total amount of the cart so that you can easily stop the large orders from your store. So in this video, I will show the step-by-step guide how you can do it very easily. So let's begin. So for this, I am using the next order limit quantity application from the Shopify app store. You can easily download it from here. After installing the app, go here, create validation, then create a cart validation. Give a title like limit orders by total cart value. Then add a new rule, add a condition, select the condition, total amount include shipping. And in the operator, you have multiple options like equal, not equal, greater than or equal, less than or equal, and value between. So you can choose according to your needs. Here I am choosing greater than and putting the value 5,000. So it means that people cannot purchase products more than 5,000 rupees from my store. After that, add a action. Again, on the action, you have two options: show error message on cart and checkout page and show error message on checkout page. You can choose according to your needs. Here I am choosing show error message on checkout page. Then type a default message here what you want to show. After that, active the status and save this. Now we will test it on the online store. If I add the products worth of more than 5,000 rupees in my cart, so I am adding products in my cart, and you can see my cart amount is more than 5,000 rupees. So if I put the address, then you can see the error message because my cart amount is more than 5,000 rupees. But if I decrease the products and decrease my cart amount less than 5,000 rupees, then you can see there is no error message. So in this way, you can do it very easily. So if you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe and share it with your friends. It maybe help them. And also if you have any question in your mind, then please let me know in the comment section. So that's for all today. I will see you in the next one. Bye.